Clients come to me because they are stuck. They have no idea why what's on their website and their brand message isn't working for them. They know that they do good work, there's no question about that, but it's just a matter of figuring out how to say it in a way that makes the right people, their dream clients, sit up and pay attention and realise this is exactly the person I've been looking for. The brand message overhaul is about helping you figure out who you want to work with, what you need to say to them to make them realise how impactful your work can be in their life, and then actually making that happen. The process is really simple. You start by getting a bunch of cheat sheets. So you use those to write your draft. Then we get on a video call together. We work straight out of Google Docs and you can see everything that I'm typing in real time. And we spend a session together, multiple sessions together, so that your message is really clear and poignant for your dream clients. As a result of working with me through this process, clients have gone on to have sold out services, run booked out workshops, they've had 15 times more subscribers than they used to, and most importantly, they get way more confidence about how to talk and write about the work they do and what makes it important. I love working with people who are making a difference. So if you are someone who really cares about your clients and cares about getting a result for them and are really passionate about the things that you do in your business, then that's absolutely the perfect person for the brand message overhaul.